Here I'll be showing you the Thinking Engine Westbound script, running an engine that starts out at McKees Rocks and ends up at Youngstown. I'll try to show you the layout, show you the flags, show you as the flags change color as the engine runs across the layout. This layout is basically point to point, going from McKees Rocks to Youngstown. As I mentioned, this script will show you the run going in the westbound direction. So I have it all set up. I have a camera on part of the layout, so you'll be able to see the engines a little bit. And I'm going to start it up right now. Click on the run script to confirm that it's engine number 1 that we're going to be running. And I'll press start run. So you can see that McKees Rocks Yard 2 and McKees Rocks block both show a red flag. McKees Rocks Yard block, obviously because the engine is in that block, and the McKees Rocks block is shown as occupied because that's the next block that the engine will enter. So at this point, it's entering the J&L through track. You can see that its occupancy has gone to red. You notice that the McKees Rocks block occupancy is turned back to green because it's empty. Any second now, we should see the J&L through track turn to green. The train right now is in the Occupancy block. That's the long block on my layout. It'll take a minute or two to get through it. So the college through track has turned red, and it's reserved for this engine that's coming up on it right now. Once the train gets into that block, it will reserve the Newcastle block to be able to see the Newcastle block occupancy. It just turned red right there. Now the Struthers through track occupancy is turned red because the engine has now reserved that as the next block. The engine is now in the Struthers through track block, and you can see here that it's reserved the next block, which is the Youngstown block. Now it's in the Youngstown block, and it's reserved now the Youngstown Yard 1 block. Once it gets into the Youngstown Yard 1 block, it will stop. And so here at the end of the run, Youngstown Yard Block 1 is shown red as it's occupied by the train. All the other blocks are showing as green as they are empty. I pressed the stop button on the program control window, and that ended the script, shut down the engine.